To introduce the latest edition monster truck delivers premium, available in both ready-to-run and rolling chassis versions. Compatibility with existing Team Corral 3mm thick aluminum main chassis plate with machine oil-filled shocks with threaded aluminum 5mm thick CNC machined aluminum front and rear with aluminum pin and pivot ball with suspension pinhole, durable hardened S2 steel drive joints and axles, chassis skid plates with integrated modern front bumper. 2R pistol grip 2.4 GHz transmitter, reliable 6S capable Torox 185 metal gears, and a whopping 25 kilograms never before in a factory-built RTR or rolling chassis. Enjoy owning and driving this model as much as Team Corral's RC bashing at a level never before thought possible. Team Corral, engineered to be the fastest.